Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a video on email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and the basic video. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner, click on Gmail. Wait for that to load. Now let's minimize Google Chrome for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, locate this video within Movies. Go to videos, there we have the video.mp4, right click, copy, paste to the desktop, quit Finder, go back to the video, right click, get information. To analyze the dimensions and the quality of the video, we can now click X, go down to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Let's now compose a brand new email, take that email window to full screen. Now let's choose the recipient, which is the admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Subject, video. Go within the main email, type in Dear Admin. I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow, full stop, new line. Please see the attached video. To this email, go to a new line, kind regards, CSV. Let's now attach the video itself. Go to the desktop, there we have video.mp4, click on this, open. And the video should have now attached to this email, click on send. Let's now click on view message. Video, dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached video to this email. Kind regards, CSV. Here is that video. Couldn't preview file. We'd have to download that video, and there we have it. Click on this. And there is the video attached to this email. So we can now quit QuickTime Player, quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.